Here we go, guys. Hello, everyone. This is Shahid speaking from Pakistan, and I am showing you a new hack to make this shower. It is used in every bathroom worldwide, I think. So these showers are not very useful, are not very durable for a. But the problem is when you purchase the cheaper one or the high rate shower, the both are not durable for the long time. So today I want to make a hack to modify this shower, and I hope you will like it. And let's go ahead, and I will show you how to repair it or how to make a few modifications to use these showers for the long time, and it will be liked, I think, by everyone, because it is used in every washroom. So let's move ahead. Here we go, guys. And first of all, you have to open this or disconnect it from here, and we do not need this pipe, this metal pipe. It is useless because you can see this pipe is broken inside and get out from this metal pipe. It's not a very difficult task to bring it out, and to save your time, I will pause the video and show you how to bring it out. So keep in touch with me. So guys, you can see this is the internal side of this shower, and I'll try to open it by a single hand. It is quite difficult, but I will try it and try to show you. You can see this is the whole mechanism of this shower. Here we have a spring like this, and this is the internal pipe to block the water. So I will pause again and see you later. So guys, I have cut this water plastic pipe. Mostly people use it in the garden. I have cut it from this pipe, and it is a flexible pipe, you can see, and by this I will close this hole where the button was fixed. So it's quite difficult for me to fix it by one hand. Have fun? Samosa. So you can see I will fix it like this, and okay, and he's my youngest son. He's helping me to make video. So by the like this, I will tape it, scotch tape it or solution tape it. As you can see, this one I have made, and I have to fix this nozzle. As I mentioned in my earlier video, that you have to buy these nozzles from the market, and this is not a very expensive one, and a couple of nozzles are enough for the one shower. One is fixed on this one, on this side of the shower, and the other nozzle will be attached with the tab of the null. So I will again pause the video to save your time. So guys, this is the shower I have made, and you can see a few hacks in this video, and this is the installation process. And you can see this is a nozzle you have to buy just from the market, and it is around about 50 rupees in Pakistan, and you have to just install this nozzle with this shower. And this pipe, we call it the pipe of gas. This is another nozzle. You can see you have to fix here, and you can control the water pressure from here, and there is no knob or button here, as I have shown in my last clip. And let me show you the pressure of the water. So let me turn on the water. You can see the water pressure is good enough, rather than the new shower. This the water pressure is very good, and it is very durable, rather than purchasing a new shower which will not last for the very long time, and you have to purchase again and again. So if you try to make this shower with these hacks, then it is a very useful and very durable, and it will last for the very long time. So have a nice time and see you again. Bye bye.